Keep watching to discover the secret ingredient in this French onion with mushroom soup recipe. You're going to want to start by making your crostini by slicing your baguette, placing it on a paper-lined tray, and then brushing it with olive oil. Sprinkle with a little bit of sea salt, and then into the oven it goes until golden brown. In a 4-quart Dutch oven, melt your butter, and then cook your cremini mushrooms until they are fully cooked. Transfer them to a small bowl and set them aside. In the same Dutch oven, melt your butter with olive oil and then add in all of your thinly sliced onions. Cook them on medium-high heat until they've lost most of their moisture, and then turn the heat down to medium and cook them for about 40 minutes until they are nice and caramelized. Add your fresh thyme, add back your mushrooms and garlic, cook for a few minutes, and then deglaze with your wine. Scrape off all the flavor from the bottom and then add in beef broth and the secret ingredient, a cup of coffee. Bring to a simmer, and then you're ready to serve into your French onion soup bowls. Add in your crostinis on top, sprinkle with cheese, caramelize under the broiler, and find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.